it's your girl T here checking in. My results for this week and last week have plateaued. So today, I'd like to share some thoughts about a trait that is absolutely essential to transforming your body and health. And that is called perseverance. There's a trait that's accessible to pretty much all of us. The willingness to stick with it. The grit to keep on going when things get a little uncomfortable or when obstacles come your way. In truth, I think most of us all have this trait, but mostly only apply it when they're doing something that has great importance to them. Let's face it, nothing in life worth having is easy all the time, every time. But when the thing we want means a lot to us, those obstacles aren't nearly as likely to hold you back. So let me give you a few thoughts on perseverance that may be of some value to you. There will be challenges all along the way. You must know that going in and just accepting that if you want the highs, you need to be willing to navigate the lows as well. Along those same lines, seeing those challenges as the price has always helped me. Knowing that we might be willing to do what others won't makes the process that more meaningful and the goal much more important. How we handle adversity dictates much of our success. The longer you spend dwelling on the last loss, the more it distracts you from the opportunity at hand. Embrace the challenges and don't beat yourself up over the failures. If your day got away with you and you couldn't make it to gym, do 20 minutes of movement at home or at work. If you went overboard on your cheat meal, reel it back in. If you indulged at dinner, try fasting until lunchtime the next day, or ask your trainer or coach for a healthy detox plan to follow for a couple of days to get back onto track. But whatever you do, don't give up. Perseverance is the price of admission to everything that's truly important to you. And my health is important to me, and I'm willing to pay the price until I reach my goal. Bye.